What's up, explorers? Come with us as we head to Savannah, Georgia and walk the historic district. Bye, Florida. It was nice. We stopped at the Georgia Visitor Center. Welcome Center. Got lots of brochures and some vending machines. If you're staying at the Savannah Elks Lodge in an RV, be careful of low-hanging trees on the way. A nice couple stopped by to give us back our TV antenna that they saw flying off our roof. We parked our F-350 Super Duty at the Visitor Center at 301 Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard. The first hour is free and it's $1 an hour after that, which is pretty good. If you want to hear a narrated tour, you may want to take a trolley. If you're going to walk, I recommend you look up what to do and to see in advance. Hopefully watching this video will help you decide if a particular site is something you want to see or not. Okay, so now we're on Jones Street. It's supposed to be the prettiest street in America. Yeehaw! Ride 'em, little skeleton. You. Yeah, get a picture of that. Okay, so continuing on Jones Street. Pretty in pink over there. We're at the corner of Jones and Whitaker. Continuing on Jones. I like how it's kind of dark under these trees. Adds to the mysterious feeling. And patience. Okay, so everything is really pretty here. This is the corner of Bull and Jones. Okay, we turned left on Bull to go toward Chippewa Square, where Forrest Gump went. Alright, this is Madison Square. So we're just going to take a quick look around it on our way to Chippewa. We'll see who it is on this statue. Right here. That's St. John's Church that you hear. Sergeant William Jasper.
Can you smile for Mom?
Sergeant William Jasper was a famed Revolutionary hero. Ooh, listen to that church. The monument was unveiled in 1888. It's 15 and a half feet. The dying hero's last moments after the attack of October 1779. That house over there is a pretty color. Here's one of the crepe myrtles. Not really blooming. Yeah, look at that church. Still heading toward Chippewa. I see the Sixpence Pub over there, just for reference. And oh boy, look at these flowers. This is Chippewa Square.
What about here?
There's the statue. Did you say it was this side or the other side?
Who said?
That Forrest Gump was on.
Oh, I didn't hear anybody say that.
Oh. Chippewa Square, 1815. Statue we just saw, James Edward Oglethorpe, who lived from 1696 to 1785. Founded the colony of Georgia. Kind of feel like I want a box of chocolates right now. This is Wright Square. That was erected in 1882. Pretty trees there. They all have pretty trees. Okay, this is Johnson Square. A nice fountain over there. We'll go see that. You can see City Hall there in between the monument and the next building. Now I'll take a picture. Here's a tip if you want to go down to the river level. If the stairs look intimidating, look for an elevator. The main public outdoor elevator to Savannah's river level is located between the Hyatt Regency and the City Hall at the intersection of Bull and Bay Streets, offering quick access down to the River Street from Bay Street. Another elevator near the Alida Hotel connects William Street to West River Street and is publicly accessible. And then you come out and you see the sign. It says River Street. So here we are at the Savannah River. At the Westin over there and the Savannah Convention Center. A riverboat down that way that you can ride. And then over here we got the bridge. This is a memorial to World War II. It's called The World Apart. Whatever it is, you can't go in there, it's locked up, but it looks cool. We are at the River House restaurant on the Savannah River. Having a watermelon salad and fried shrimp platter. Now we're at Whitaker and West Charlton, going to Forsyth Square. Okay, we're back on Jones Street now. It's cloudy, but also the trees shade the street. So it's nice and dark. Yeah, it's a nice little vignette. This uneven brick can challenge your ankles. Oh, we walked over there. See how rough the brick is. Gotta pick your feet up. Begonias. This is Jones and Bull. Now we're coming upon Monterey Square on the way to Forsyth. Oh, look, there's pumpkins over there. Wow, look at this monument. It's like white marble. It says Pulaski on it. Pulaski Monument. It was erected to the memory of General Casimir Pulaski, who fell at Savannah in the cause of American independence It was completed in 1854. This is the Armstrong-Kessler mansion, which appeared in the film Midnight in the Garden of Good and Evil as the office of Jim Williams' lawyer, Sonny Sailor, who was also a real-life Savannah figure and a friend of Williams. Let's go see Forsyth Fountain. Everybody comes to see this fountain, and it's pretty, and it's got tons of water flowing. And I come from Texas, and here we are, a dry fountain. I'll be darned. Big bummer. Okay, walking down here to see who this guy is. Bust is probably the same as the below the bust there. It says Lafayette McLaws, Major General, Confederate States Army, born Augusta, Georgia, January 15th, 1821, died Savannah, July 24th, 1897. Look, see? They all have some kind of neat attributes, like this stairway, all this nice character. These little oval windows, plants, that wall with the fern on the top. Oh, look at that narrow little place. They even have plants down there. Oh, a kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty. Psst, 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 psst. Hello, my friend.
Wait, I don't know.
Oh, that one's for rent. Oh, he says I'm a street cat. I don't pay attention to you. Oh, look at this like marble curved stairway here. Lovely. And this grate that goes to their door. These little flames. Oh, that courtyard. Oh, look at it. It's got animals in there. Like sheep and stuff. Wow. Did you see that?
You saw your hip?
That courtyard?
Yes. You just like that statue back.
Yeah.
All I knew was it didn't have any clothes on. I was embarrassed.
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, this was the house they were working on.
Oh, well, the door is open. Look at the trees. Even when the steps look old, they have that green mossy stuff. So pretty. Oh, this little porch has rocking chairs. This little archway with a door that leads to another door. Green steps. Plants along the railing. Wow.
You gotta go right.
Okay. Thank you so much for exploring Savannah's historic district with us. Please come back next week for more Savannah area adventures. Bye for now.